Paul, did you touch my phone, Paul?
Just Pod, did you eat my phone? Where's the quotes channel? Am I being quoted?
Perhaps.
Just Pod, did you eat my phone?
You could. Ooh.
Just hit, buddy, did you eat my phone?
Hey, Paul, did you eat my phone?
So I crashed and all I heard was Arcane going.
You should hear the new thing Axel has.
Just Pod, did you eat my phone, buddy? I have this one too. Pot, did you eat it, buddy? That's the wrong one. Pot, did you eat my phone, buddy?
I think that's Murdoch's phone, actually. But seriously,
Do I need to put that in the soundboard, guys? Sigh. I can send you the video.
I mean, fuck the I told you the iconic iPhone ringtone.
I always have this.
Oh my God, wait. No. I heard what you started playing. Come on.
Hang on. Or Pot, did you eat it? You're just jealous. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
I was just jealous. No, I'm not.
You're jealous that your son doesn't eat your phone every 5 seconds. No,
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are. I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Shut up!
Oh my God.
That's the one. I was like, I'm thinking Noodle will definitely have a phone ringtone like that. At least Phase 1 Noodle would be amazed by old technology. I kinda headcanon that. So I think if you took like Phase 1 and Phase 2 Noodle's phone, it just would ring like that. Or even the older ones, the dring. That one, that ugly ass sound. No. Oh no. Lord have mercy, no. Whatever.
It reminds me of that one time. That one time you were an Italian?
That one time Russell took me out for a date.
Did he treat you to a nice dinner?
Oh yeah, it was a nice dinner. I ate it off of his chest.
Thank God you didn't say it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button.
That was not the right.
Hello.
I think he ate my phone, actually.
This is a secret.
Yeah, I think he most likely played my phone. He ate my phone. That's definitely my phone, guys.
Spit it up. Puh. Spit it up. Puh. Spit it up.
Spit it up or I'm gonna squeeze it out of you. I'm gonna squeeze it out of your ass.
I never will get it. I don't know. Get
Chocolate
it
cake?
out.